Whew. It's Friday night, 5:30 p.m. And man, you're craving something good. Well, how about mac and cheese? I've already had that twice this week. Well, how about Chef Boyardee's spaghetti and meatballs? Well, you're running out of options and you want something really good, yet simple to make. Aha! Let's make some Basil Pesto pasta. First, boil some water, add some salt, and cook your pasta. Now, just dice up some onions and tomatoes. Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces. And then in a pan, heat up some olive oil. Toss in your onions and cook them till caramelized. Then toss in your chicken and cook it. Add your Costco basil pesto and your cooked pasta. The last step, toss in your fresh tomatoes and parsley. And voila, there you have a chicken basil pesto pasta. The end. Now, let me know what you'd like to see next. Adventures, ideas, food, or vlogs. And follow along with my stories over on Instagram. Thanks. Bye.